Riley Emerson's favorite automobile, the 1959 Volkswagen Beetle. Of course, he calls it my bug. Here we have, we'll take a walk around the car. See it here. We'll zoom in on it. Wheels. Running boards. I've just completely finished putting the car back together, buffing it. I just painted it. And this is it. This is the finished product. This symbol right here alone is worth about between $50 and $75. This is a very rare car. It was the top of the line. It came complete with cloth seats, which was something that wasn't real common. And these are the original seats. This car is 100% original on the inside, except for that tachometer right there. Original door panels. You can see the original mat. Original steering wheel. Has an AM FM radio, 59 Volkswagen radio. And those are the original sun visors. Here's the right angle on it. The right door panel. Seats. The rear seat. As you can see, the car is in pristine condition considering it is an original 59 model car. It's still airtight too. What really sets this car apart is the little tiny taillights in the back. Our boy on his favorite car. Yes. Smile. Smile. Right.